You know, it really helps to start talking after you turn the camera on. So how are you guys doing today? I'm doing great. I just wanted to show you my plants. Yeah, such as they are. So hold on. Okay. This is my Miss Cherry tomato plant. I got a little flower on it right there. I'm so excited. This leaf is coming up. Have no idea what it is. This one might be a new sunflower coming up. I mean, you know, these plants were all damaged by the storm we had. But I did buy this one. Gotta get that off of there. From what I was told, if you see these little pieces right here, apparently you're supposed to pick them off because they suck all the energy out of the plant. Nothing's come up in my seeds yet, which is okay. But I was coming out in the yard to check their dandelion stuff and to see if they had any out here. So far, I'm not seeing a whole lot. But look at these little beauties. How cute are they? I have no idea what they are. If anyone knows, let me know, okay? And then they've got all these, I don't know what they are, but they're little, where's my hand? Where's my hand? All these little yellow flower type things. Can you see the yellowish tint to the ground? I'm wondering what they are. They're probably not edible. Well, who knows? Maybe they are. I don't know. Oh, here's one that's open. Where? Right there. You can see by my finger how big they are. They're so cute. They're so cute. Oh, here's one that's opened up a lot. And this stuff around it's kind of bushy. I don't know what it is. Anywho, hold on. Anywho, I am going to just now starting to rain. Daggone it. I wanted to go pick some, see how many dandelions I can pick. Because I was thinking, hey, I might make some dandelion jelly. I've been watching videos. Yeah, now I'm an expert. Not. Yeah, I woke up and everyone was gone. I'm thinking, oh good, I'm gonna go take a shower now that no one's here. And yeah, because I'm a little funny about that. I don't like to take a shower when, you know, my son's not home, you know, there's, you know, other people in the house. It just kind of freaks me out a little bit. Anyway, I was going to say, all right, I'm going to go take a shower. Woo-hoo. And I went to go in my son's room, and there's this baby gate up there. I'm thinking, okay, I can get through this. I can do it. Apparently not. I have no idea how this damn baby gate works. So it's holding me hostage until everyone gets home now. So, fight you like a tiger. Sammy? Sammy? Whoop, whoop. Okay, there you go. I just want to know where you were. I don't want you running off. Okay, yeah. So, hey, like my earrings? Wait a minute. There, yeah, I just threw them together. Let's see, what was I going to say? Oh, other than making the dandelion jelly, is that what I said I was going to make? Yeah, dandelion jelly. And there's this recipe for what 2-ingredient English muffin like thing. I'm going to try that because bread is just getting ridiculous, people. Woo! I don't know. It's a good thing I kind of weaned myself off of bread because I was a real bread fanatic. I mean, bread. Yeah, just give me some Kraft salad dressing on bread and I'm good. Yeah. Or hot dog bun. Yeah. Oh, it's raining, Sammy. It's raining. Ooh. So I'm going to try that 2-ingredient English muffin. I think they'll be good. And I was trying to think of the things that the kids could do. Like, I think I'm going to go get a little container of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. And then I'm going to put it in a jar and seal it. And I want the boys to go out in the yard and roll it back and forth, you know. And in a little while, you're supposed to have butter or shake it or however they want to do it. But I think it'd be fun for them to make some butter. So that's a thing I got for them to do. Right now, the little one is all excited about his birthday because he wants to go geocaching. Well, I turned the kids on to Finding Ohana on Netflix. I think it was a movie about New York City kids going to Hawaii and finding a real-life treasure. And they started out by geocaching in New York. And it's a really good movie. So the little one thinks he's going to find gold. I said, you might find a dollar, maybe, or, you know, something like that, or a quarter. I said, but what we ought to do is go get some stuff, like, you know, I don't know, what could you put in there? Just, you know, maybe some trinkets, you know, and or maybe a little car, because some of those geocaching caches are like big. You can put a bunch of stuff in. I said, the important thing is that when you find one, you write your name and date, and it's there forever, you know, so they knew you were there. So he's all excited about it. I am too, actually. So 9. Haven't said anything, but it's been 9 minutes. I think I mentioned to you guys that I'm going to try and dehydrate fresh eggs, okay? But I've heard that the eggs can, not that they're bad, but they can give off a smell. And since the kids are trying to sell the house, I didn't think it would be a good idea to throw in some nasty egg smell. They said it smelled like, oh, what did they say? Not rotten eggs, but it smelled like something that isn't very pleasant. So I'm thinking, maybe I won't do that until, you know, it's sold. then all bets are off, baby. But I noticed they have some celery in there that's getting a little, so I'm going to be cutting that up later, and I'm going to dehydrate that because I can't stand going to waste. Yeah, makes me nuts. So that's basically what I've been doing and what I'm about to do. And I am going to film making the English muffins because I think that'd be interesting. And it's only got 2 ingredients, so I think most of us will have it in our cabinets, unless it requires whipping cream. That can get expensive, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. So I am going to film that. What, huh? I know. He gets upset with me if I don't scratch. All he wants right now is to be held and scratched. I know, baby. We're gonna go get some. I know. I'm scratching. Oh, Benadryl, here we come. Oh yeah. You want some medicine? Yeah. Okay. Well, we're gonna go. We're gonna get him some medicine, and I know, honey. We'll get it. Off. You're a lot better, but he's still scratching because I guess the bites interfere with their system inside for quite a while after a bite. I think we got the fleas under control. I haven't seen one on him in a couple of days, so that's good. But he's got all the bites left over, so that's what we're dealing with now. We're gonna go get him some Benadryl. So don't worry. I know what size. I know the doctor told me how much to give him, both in liquid and in pill form. So we got it under control. So anyway, I'll talk to you later, guys. Take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo!